Bruh.
Hello there.
Aha. My man. Welcome back, guys. Leland here, bringing you another live update. We are live. We're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin and Ethereum. A lot of coins are up today. A lot of coins. Actually, some of them are making new all-time highs. You guys know what I'm talking about. We were talking about OneCoin yesterday, and the urgency behind getting in on the coin. At one point it was up like 50% today. I still think we're still up like 70 something percent. Not too bad, looking pretty good. But anyways, if you guys want to see a coin, if you want to request a coin, you want to take a look at one of your coins that you're holding, you want to see how it's doing, what's going on, where are the supports, where are the resistances, all you have to do is ask. It is a $10 minimum contribution. You could do that in the form of a super chat or a super sticker. You can also use my OneUp Coin link down below. I prefer you guys use the OneUp Coin link. I would love to get contributions in crypto. I don't want that dirty fiat stuff, but you know what? I'll take it either way. So doesn't matter. But how are you guys doing today? Who do we got in here? We got Zilla. What's up, dude? How you doing? Michael, Dominic, George Lopez. We got Lefty. What's up, Lefty? Good to see you in here, man. Michael, we got RM 257. I like that. 257. My name's 257, huh? So we got Crypto Kid. He says that New Cipher sucks. It's not that it sucks. It's just not performing that well right now. Let's go take a look at that real quick. Who else we got in here? We got AJ, we got Aaron. Hello, how you guys doing? What's up guys? How are you? So yeah, New Cipher. I mean, it's up 20% today. Cool, but we're still way below the 55-cent area that I want to be above. We're way below it, and it's just, you know, it's in a downtrend right now. It's not looking too good. Let's see, we take a look at the day right now. You're about to get a bullish cross over here. Price action is going to be king, so we're going to see that first. You know, we could see it pop up here, guys. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw some. Hey, RP and Co, welcome back. Good to see you back here, man. Thank you for the 10. Really appreciate that. ANKR, you got it, dude. Add it to the list right here. After we take a look at we're gonna take a look at New Cipher, just because they were talking about it real quick. I don't know if this is something that people are going to be jumping into right now, especially if it's up 20% on the day right now. You know, but it wouldn't surprise me if we went up and hit that 55-cent and used it as resistance. If you can break through it though, that's a different story. And if you bought down here at this 35-cent area, well, then you're looking like a god. But where's the confirmation? You know, why did you buy it down there? Just maybe hopium, maybe whatever it is. But yeah, not the best performer right now. Not looking too good. Bitcoin having a bit of a recovery here today. Something that we were kind of anticipating. We were looking for a little bit of a, let's see, we got down here to about, yeah, $46,000. That's kind of where I was looking for. I was looking between like $42,000 and $46,000 is where I think we're going to get the bounce. Now, we could still have a dead cat bounce, right? We could always just kind of go up from here and maybe do something like this. We print our green bar, we start moving up, and then we start falling down even more. That's possible, okay, guys? Don't rule that out. Don't think that the dump is over. We need some confirmation first. We need to put in some kind of consolidation pattern, find out where that support is on the consolidation pattern. I'll get them out eventually. But you know, and that'll let us know, are we going to be breaking out of the resistance? Are we going to be breaking out of the support? Where is that really going to matter? But you can see we got stomped out over here at the $53,844 level. That was a 382 on our Fibonacci retracement. All right, pretty good, looking good. And we're up almost 10% up on the day. That's pretty good. That's a pretty big bounce. A lot of people buying at this $47,000 area. Is it over? I'm not sure. You know, it could be tricking us. I'm not really sure. We still have about 2 more hours until this bar, this light red bar in a histogram is going to be formed here. It'll be printed. If it starts turning, you know, lighter red like that, and you know, we're getting the major bounce on the day off the 30 and the stochastic RSI is going to be getting above the 20, then it's possible, you know, it's definitely possible that the dump could be over. You know, we did dump 27%. I think that's something that everybody was looking for, kind of anticipating, you know, those 30% dips, you know, pretty standard throughout a bull run. So yeah, good job, Bitcoin. Not looking too bad. You were pumping up the market today. A lot of things in the green today. Like I said, New Cipher up 20% today. Matic is up 30%. At one point, Mavic had gone all the way up to 57 cents, almost hitting our target. Not almost, but pretty close. You know, we had our target over here on Mavic up to 65, 66 cents. I'm still looking for it. It's not over. That's what I'm going to be looking for. Man, I took my position way down here when we got the confirmation, and it's been playing out beautifully, playing out very beautifully. Ethereum also having a beautiful day. We're just stuck within this channel right here, which is totally fine. You can see we're forming a double bottom on the daily right now, which is just beautiful. I don't know how, you know, what are the words I'm trying to say? We're bullish. We're just massively bullish on Ethereum. There's nothing for me to be worried about. We're waiting for the improvement protocols to be coming out, and I can't wait until July to see what happens with 1559. If you guys don't know what that is, it's an Ethereum improvement proposal that they're going to be implementing into the blockchain. Basically, it's going to be a burn feature. This is one of the things that's going to be happening. It's going to be a burn feature that's going to be applied to the miners. So whenever you're sending your Ethereum across the blockchain, the miners are pretty much going to be taking only a portion of that, and the rest of that Ethereum is going to be burned. And it's kind of like a halving effect, right? It's kind of like Bitcoin every 4 years where we have the halving and it makes the asset more scarce. That's what's going to be happening with Ethereum. We only get a certain amount of Ethereum per year, right? So we have this infinite supply of Ethereum. And I know what you're thinking. That doesn't sound too good, but wait, we're not going to be using it as a currency. It's a platform for companies to implement the Ethereum blockchain into their infrastructure, okay? Amazon Web Services is already doing this right now, and it's just a matter of time before we start seeing more companies implementing their blockchain, banks coming in and using a public stable coin, which is 80% of stable coins run off of Ethereum network. Imagine that happening, guys. I'm telling you, one day Ethereum will outperform, and it will actually, it's already outperforming, but the market cap will exceed Bitcoin's market cap. You watch. Write it down. Hey, can I show you guys a clip real quick? This is really cool. Let me see if I can pull it up. Let me see if I can get this. Check this out. Hey, what's up, guys? Leland here. I just want to show you a quick clip from last night's live stream. 1 second. Here we go. It's only 5 minutes. We're going to be moving on. We're going to go over and check out one coin. If it's one coin that I want to buy right now, it's one. It's one coin. Because it's insane. Absolutely insane. Okay, I have two. Let's take the one, look, traded by TradingView. Which one do I have charted? We're going to go to this one because I believe this is the one I charted before. Look at this structure, okay? Look at this structure.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
This is 100% beautiful, okay? I'm not saying it's a guarantee, but just looking at this flag right now, it's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. We're still in a bear flag, or bull flag, excuse me. Still in a bull flag. We took our measured move from our base all the way to the top. We're still within that channel, and it's beautiful. When we start breaking out of this resistance that we have up here on Harmony, okay, when we start going back up and we break out and we come back for that retest, guys, the breakout target for the sucker is going to be 32 cents. 32 cents. That from where we are right now up to 32 cents, we're talking 250%. Over triple your money. Okay, are you listening? Hello? Is this thing on? Do you hear what the fuck I'm saying? This is crazy. Okay, look at this. We're gonna go to a daily. Look at the setup. We have hidden bullish divergence, strong hidden bullish divergence. Okay, negative momentum moving to the downside as price actions moving up in a beautiful bull flag that we're awaiting to break. Not only that, okay, we've had a retrace. We've gone down and we've been sitting below the 20 on the stochastic RSI for weeks. For weeks, we've been sitting down here waiting. It's like shaking up a 2 liter of Coke. You're shaking up and you're just leaving it there. And you're just kind of like, and then you take off the cap and the thing's going to freaking explode. Okay. That's exactly what this is telling me right now. And to put on top of it, we're sitting at the 30 on the RSI on the daily. Are you listening to me? Hello? Guys, if you want a trade setup, okay, this isn't financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do. But if you want a trade setup right now with this freaking coin, right now, I don't even care what price it, like potentially what we can go down to now. we're so set up. It's so set up. Let's see. The last time that you were at this level, the last time was September of 2000. Okay. Let's go back and let's go take a look. Excusez-moi. You were back here, right here, and you had this massive consolidation. Okay. One really wasn't doing that much up until the beginning of this year, just like altcoins, right? A lot of these altcoins that started coming in, Bitcoin started going up above $20,000. Money started flowing into crypto. People want to start making better money. They're like, I don't know if I want to buy Bitcoin because it's already so high up, and I probably won't get a good return out of it. You're right. You're late. Sorry. Yeah, don't go buy Bitcoin if you're new right now. But you have opportunities in altcoins, which is what we're seeing, which is why we're seeing this alt season, which is why we are seeing Bitcoin dominance drop. Bitcoin dominance is dropping, and the flow of money is going into altcoins right now. And you're like, but Leland, altcoins are going down. How are we in alt season? Right here. Simple. Right here on one. Beginning of the year, alt season. Boom. Huge move to the upside. Well, how much was that? Let's see. From here to the top, talking over, only 6,800%. Only, whatever. Some people wish they could like 200, 300 times their money, or, have gains 300. I mean, even 1,000% gain. In your profile, whatever. Okay, this is still alt season, okay? This is still alt season. We're consolidating. Beautiful. It looks gorgeous. This is exactly what we should be doing right now. It's so healthy. It's so beautiful. We're so set up. I don't know what else to tell you guys other than this coin. Like, this is the absolute lowest that you're ever going to be able to get one. Ever. You mark my words. Write it down. Take a picture. I don't care. Write it down. You'll see. Leland said you'll never be able to get a 9-cent one coin ever again. Record it. You'll never be able to get it ever again after this. Be done. Okay. That's it for one coin, guys. This is my projection. This is where. Okay. So that was a clip that was yesterday from yesterday's live stream. Now, what I want to show you now is this. Look where one coin is right now. 14 cents. It's up 50% on the day. Guys, if you're not coming into live streams, you need to come in. You need to come get these trade setups. I was very adamant, very, very confident within one coin. Did I anticipate this? Okay, I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. Sorry, I know it was a long clip, but I just wanted to show you how confident I was yesterday in the live stream. And I'm not showing you that to be like, oh, hey, look at me. I was right. You guys should listen to me. No. I'm not doing that whatsoever. What I'm showing you is the benefit. I'm showing you the value of coming in into the live stream because you could possibly get into trades like that, if you wanted to trade. Anyways, just wanted to show you that. So we actually have to go take a look at ANKR. We're going to go take a look at that right now. That was the first request that we got on the day. Welcome everyone who is in here right now. We were just taking a look at a clip that I had made for the Telegram group, just showing people about OneCoin and what it had done. Currently, OneCoin is at 38% today, so it has dropped about 11% since it hit its high. But nevertheless, this is really big. We're above the 21 EMA on one, and it's looking really good. Okay, we're gonna check out ANRK, looking pretty good. We were talking about the different support levels that we wanted to see with ANRK. We were talking about the 12.5 cent being a nice support. And if we actually go over to a 4-hour over here, you can see that the 12.5 cent area was acting as a little bit of resistance as well. So we had gotten below it. We'd gone all the way down to 11 cents, actually 10 cents. Actually, this came all the way to 9 cents, all the way down to 9 cents. No, it was 10 cents. We got back above 10 cents, 11 cents, 12 cents, and we started using that 12.5 cent as support, and we're getting that bounce up right now. You're going to be seeing a lot of this within the recovery. You're going to see a lot of coins that are going to be doing the recovery, especially after the dump that Bitcoin had. We were taking a look on the daily chart of the stochastic. We were taking a look at the daily chart on the MACD and how close we were to be seeing a move. Well, we were talking about the hidden bullish divergence that we were developing along with the 12 and 26-day moving average about to put in a bullish cross. And we all know that price is king, so that's going to be happening first. Indicators are lagging, but you are starting to see the hook within the stochastic RSI. We're about to be breaking above that 20 on the stochastic RSI. A lot of people, I think I just saw someone who was just saying, hey, is it still a good time to get into one? No, It's not. It's not a good time right now. It just pumped 50% today. You missed it. You're gonna have to wait for the next thing. And as long as you stay on this channel, we can go check it out. Hey, what's up, Killian? Thank you for the 5. James Tinker, hello, welcome. Thank you for the 15 euros, dude. Really appreciate that. You want to take a look at the GRT? Yeah, dude. For sure. I got you. Killian says, I put another 10K into one of watching your streams yesterday. Oh man, I bet you're sitting really pretty today. I'm curious, Killian. You don't have to answer this if you don't want to, but what coin did you put it in, and how much are you up right now? Have you taken any realized profits? If you have, great. You don't have to share, but I'm just curious. I see that if you're going to be benefiting, a lot of the people who come in here, a lot of the people who have been consistently coming into this stream, I keep getting messages from, they're like, dude, I just made a bunch of money off of you. I put X amount of money and I made this much money and I sold. And I'm like, dude, that's exactly why we're here. Good for you. You're making money. I'm here to share it for you. This is exactly why we're here. Congrats. I'm happy for you. That's amazing. Good job. Okay. So thank you so much, Killian, for that 5. I really appreciate that. Thank you for that. Tommy, same here. I also got it at 9 cents. Congratulations. Good for you. See, there you go. California Capitalist, new cipher is pumping because of the news. Chicago, what is that? Chico crypto? I don't know what that is. I didn't hear the news on that. Anyways, we're going to go back to ANKR. Check this out. So a lot of variables that we saw, that we knew that it was a really good area to be picking up. We were talking about ANKR yesterday. I believe we ended somewhere down here. We were about at 12 cents or so. We are currently up about, what are we up today? 13% on the coin. Not bad. Looking pretty good. Nice little pump that we're having, and possibly putting in a double bottom. Now, I know it looks kind of wonky, but I'm telling you, this is a double bottom right here. Boom. Double bottom. If we can confirm that, we can get back up here to the 618 and hit that 18 cent. I believe we will have confirmed that when we break this neckline up here, guys. I'm telling you, after 22 cents, you're going to start to see 25, 30, 35, 40 cents on this coin. It's not if, it is when this is going to happen. And I just want to put you guys at ease with this. If we go ahead and take a look at the week right now, look at all this pumpage that we've had. This is major. These are huge gains. I mean, we go from the bottom, we take a measure move, and we go all the way to the top. That's 3,000%. That's good. That's really good. So we're just taking a little bit of consolidation before we keep moving to the upside, but you have to be patient. You definitely have to be patient. Currently right now, we are not overbought. We are not overbought right now. We're sitting at the 50 on the RSI still. So much room to the upside. And if Bitcoin continues to go up and we start to see that $55,000, $58,000 Bitcoin, then yes, we're going to start seeing these other coins move and rise with the tide. Now, some price actions that I want, or some key level areas that I want you guys to take a look at and be on the lookout for. We've already done all this work. We're trying to get above the 236 right now on our Fibonacci retracement. You guys know that this has been a pretty good area of support for us in the past. And then when we broke down, it was resistance. So I'm hoping that we can get above this, turn it into support. And then the next target we're going to be going up is going to be hitting 15.5 cents. Once you can break through 15.5 cents, that 15.5, 16 cent area is actually very crucial for ANKR. I think personally, once you can get above that, you have defeated all of the other supports, and now you are above, pretty much you've retraced, what is it, 61%. When you get up to that 18 cent area, when you can get back up into this territory and you start closing green candles, it's not going to be very long before ANKR starts taking off, and it just goes up to, like I said, 25, 30 cents. And we have all the data to prove it. We have everything to prove it for us. Negative momentum moving to the downside, price action moving up. So the stochastic RSI is below the 20. Our RSI is only at the 50. It's actually at 49. I'm not going to split hairs though. So are these good times to be buying right now? Yesterday was the day. You should have been here yesterday. If you weren't and you missed it, you're going to have to wait for another buying opportunity, because you don't want to get into a market that's already been pumped. When things are up 18, 24, 15, 19%, I mean, we could have another really good day tomorrow. Is that likely? Probably not. We're going to be consolidating with these pumps that we just had. And we can actually go take a look at that right now. Like, for instance, okay, let's just do this coin because we're right here. Go to a 4-hour chart. And actually, better yet, let's go to a 1-hour chart so you guys can kind of see what's going on. So you've had this nice move to the upside, and now you're doing a consolidation to the side, right? We're on a 4-hour, or this is a 1-hour candle chart. You guys will never see me use this. I'm just zooming in so I can show you the kind of consolidations that we're putting in right now, but we definitely have a support and a resistance up here as we moved up, and now we're moving sideways. Consolidation, and then maybe in a couple days, maybe a few days, we start moving up. Or, it's possible it could happen tomorrow, but I'd rather consolidate for a little bit. Let's gain our grounds. Let's go down a little bit, like maybe 3 or 4% tomorrow before we have any more continuation to the upside. Time is your friend within the markets. That is exactly what we want to see. So, hey, California capitalist, thank you for the heart. Appreciate you, bud. Tomb, hello, and Carre, what do you say? Up, mateys. Are we going to $1? $1 on this thing by the end of the year? Probably. Yep, probably. That wouldn't surprise me. I mean, it's already up 3,000%, since the beginning of the year. So let's say we go up another 3,000%, and we're not even halfway through this year yet. Let's see. That would be taking us to roughly $4, $4.40. Totally possible. Yeah, absolutely. Okay. Let's say we don't go up 3,000%. We only go up 1,500%. Well, then that's going to be taking you to $2. So only to go up to $1, that's only 600%. We've already done 3,000. What's another 600? You know what I'm saying? It's a bull run. It's possible. Very possible, especially this year. So, yeah, that is about it. Those are the price targets that we're going to be looking for on ANKR. And let's see. Support levels down below, you guys already know. If you've been watching the live stream, these are the areas below. We need to watch out for that 12.5 cent. Do not get below 12.5 cents. That will not be good. Then the dead cat bounce that I was talking about on Bitcoin might be playing out, and we might be coming up and be going back down, creating another low, especially if we start getting candle closes. Right now, we just have a wick. And you know what? I'm okay with that. That's fine. The wick tells us a story. The bodies tell us the facts, and that's what we need to be looking for. So don't go below 12.5 cents. Stay right there. Get above the 236 under Fibonacci retracement, which is going to be 14 cents. We're hovering around there right now. We still got about an hour and a half before our daily candle closes, and I think maybe possibly it could be a fake out, but you never know. We'll see where this ends up. We need more data. You can see we're getting rejected at the 21 EMA right now. No big deal. Nevertheless, nice recovery that we're having after this, and we're not dumping even more. So good news all the way around. Not looking too bad. So like I said, we have our supports, we have our resistances. Be watching for that. Be watching for 15.5 cents. Be watching for that 16-cent area, and watch what happens afterwards. It's going to blow your socks off. Okay. I'm going to give it some time though. I think it's going to take a little bit. Maybe not tomorrow, probably not the next day, maybe in about a week. I'm going to just take a guess on there. Hey, what's up, Johns? Hello. Is VeChain on your list, Leland? I want to place where I do a TA on it. Yeah, you could do a TA on it for sure, man. Go ahead and read the description down below, and we can totally do that for you. You can do that in the form of a super chat or a super sticker, or you can do the OneUp coin link down below. You can use your Coinbase account, and it'll link it with my Coinbase account, and it'll actually pop up on the screen. So a bunch of ways you could do it. If you have any trouble, let me know. Check it out. Thank you for the 46 people who are here right now. We need to move over. Let's go check out. Let's see. James he wants to check out GRT. For sure, dude. Let's go look at GRT. I don't know if you know, but I did put out a video this morning. And if you didn't get to watch it, here, I'll propose this for you right now. You can go watch that if you want to. That's free, okay? We already did a T on it this morning. I know we can do it again. I'm totally fine with it. But if you want to, you can choose another coin, because I already did it this morning. So if you'd like to choose another coin, we'll do that one instead for sure. And let's see, Dylan, we're time for Dylan. LOL. Yeah, people, I don't know. It's a thing, I guess. People like the GRT. Join the Discord, guys. Yeah, dude. If you guys want the alerts for the new videos that I put up, or if you just want the alerts for when I go live, join the Discord, join the Telegram. I post it right when I start going live. The YouTube notification system is not very good. It's not very good at all. And if you use the Discord link, you'll get the notifications instantly, and you'll know when I'm going live. Typically, I like to go live around this time, around 4 p.m. Mountain Standard Time is when I like to go live. So let's see. We got Tommy saying, I'm tapping my phone to my ear so I don't hear your lives. I already have Harmony, but I could throw in another 2,000 for a quick flip before the pump. You're tapping your phone to your ear so you don't. Oh, I see what you're saying. you don't miss your lives already. Okay, gotcha. You know, it's really gonna depend on what kind of coin. Oh, let's see. Sorry, James. You said please read my question above. I know. Haha. Okay, let me see. What did you? Don't necessarily need you to see the review for GRT. Just wanted to support. Well, thank you, man. I really appreciate that. But what I am curious is why you think GRT can go to $50. It's the use case. It's what the coin can be used for. We don't have a query. We don't have some kind of searching index for the blockchain right now, right? And this is a totally decentralized platform. So it's anybody can go in and do this. All they have to do is just use the GRT token, the protocol, and you can run it against any coin. You can run it against Bitcoin.
Can we take a look at B Pro 22000XLM?
Portal, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Yes, the crypto is where it's at. I love it so much. I love getting contributions in crypto. It's literally my favorite. So thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. Yes, we will go take a look at B Pro. So we'll do that one next for sure. Let me just make sure we're good with James over here. Oh, the $50. So it's the first day that GRT was released, it had gained $600 million market cap in 24 hours. Okay. That's insane. That was breaking records that day. That's a crazy amount. And ever since then, it's just been going up like crazy, man. So it's really the use case for the token that just makes it so. But what's more beautiful is we can have programmers that can implement the GRT protocol into any coin that they want or any program that they want. It's so versatile and it's so new that we're not even using it yet, right? It's like getting into Google in 1994 when Google wasn't even a thing, when internet was barely a thing right now. You know, we're on the cusp of, or on the edge of having this technology where we'll need to be organized. People need to be organized, or they'll need to be able to search and, you know, index these blockchains. And this is what Chainlink does. This is what GRT does. So I'm just a huge believer in that we need that kind of, you know, organization, some kind of tool to help us look for things. You know, I'm a huge analytical person. Obviously, you guys know that. So it's all about numbers for me. And if I can search databases, not databases, but the blockchains, that could give me an edge. That could give me information about what's going on within the markets. I don't think that's going to be a security issue. I just really don't, because there's no information on your private keys or your public keys on where you're sending it. There's no locations. There's nothing whatsoever. So that's why I think it's at least a $50 token, at least for the next 4 or 5 years or whatever it might be. Let's see. Ryan, have you heard about RAD? No, I have not heard about RAD. There's so many coins. So many people ask me, hey, have you heard about this? Go check this coin out. Go check this coin out. And I just wish I could be in every trade. I just can't. I just cannot be in it. Like, I was not in one. I clearly knew that one was going to be going up, but I can't be in every single trade. I already have a bunch of coins, and you know, there's a strategy to everything that I'm doing. And you know, I wish that would have been nice. I probably would have sold today too, like everyone else that you're seeing right now. Jeremy, yo. Every time, dude, every time. I love you, Jeremy. Thanks for coming in here, dude. Portal Mind, hey, I sent you some XLM for a TA. Yeah, dude, I got it. Thank you. Yeah, it popped up on the screen, dude. You wanted to take a look at B Pro, right? I just want to make sure that you were looking. We were on the same page here. I'm pretty sure it was you, Portal. Let's see. Zabada, hello. Someone asked him to do CRV. How about you do it? Won't you be a first timer? Come on, try it out. Let's see what you think. James Taylor, and Unimarshall is a big rival of GRT. I don't know. I don't know what that is. Unmarshall? I'm not sure what that is. See, there you go. See, that wasn't so hard, right? But you forgot to include the coin. You got to tell me what coin you want, unless if you want to do a TA on it, for sure. Do you really think it'd be, a $50 GRT? Yeah. Yes, absolutely. 100%, dude. And I think that's conservative. I really do think that's pretty conservative. True. CRV. Yeah, you got it, dude. Thank you for the 10. I really appreciate that. I think that was the first time you've ever had made a contribution. So welcome aboard. Thank you for supporting the channel, Zabada. Awesome. CRV. Making sure I write this down right. Okay, we're gonna be moving over to Since James didn't really want a TA on it, James, offer still on the table. Let me know whenever, I'll try to read the who made the okay, hold on. James said, but I know someone who made the circulation, and to reach $50 it should be in the top 10. No, I don't think, not at all. Well, actually, we'd have to do some math. We'd have to take a look at the market cap, how much it is per coin, where we're at right now. I don't think it'll put it in top 10 because GRT is only like, it's 1 billion, I think $1 billion. So even if it were to go up, what are we at right now? We're like $1 or something, so 50 times. So we'd have to go like, I mean, I don't know, I'm gonna guess a 50 billion, $75 billion. That would not put you in the top 10. No sir, you would need to be like a part of hundreds of billions, close to the trillions, which there's a lot of other coins that are taken up there. Okay, we need to do TAs. We have not been doing as many TAs. We need to go take a look at B Pro. Portal Bind came in with the clutch and donated so that we can take a look at B Pro. The only one I got is on KuCoin. That's fine. Let's go see what the charts look like. Oh my god. Oh my god. That structure is so pretty. Okay, let's get rid of that. That's so beautiful. That is so beautiful. Oh my god. Dude, look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Okay. Beautiful flag formation that you got going on right now, right? Huge run up. Huge, I mean, you were down here at, gosh, what is that? 1/100th of a penny or whatever? I don't even know. But anyways, let's do a measured move. From the bottom, from the beginning of the year, starting in January, all the way to the top, this thing's gone up 13,000%. 13,000. Can you imagine just putting like $1,000 in here? $1,000. That's it. Go up 13,000%. Well, congratulations. You can go buy a brand new car, probably a supercar at that if you wanted it to. But look what we're doing right now. Look at the structure that we've had. We've been bouncing off a 21 EMA all the way up, and look where we came down and we touched, and it's beautiful. Okay, it's not exact. It didn't touch it exactly. It doesn't have to. But as long as we get close and we know that's a good area of support. Hey, Steffi, what's up, dude? Thank you for the 10. Thank you. I appreciate that. Let's say, hey, loving the TAs. Can I get A and R? We just did that, man. That was the first coin that we took a look at. Go ahead and choose another one, Steph. And if you want rewind, you can go take a look at A and KR on there for sure. Let's see, Zabda, we got your coin. Let me just make sure I'm looking through here. Someone requests a TA on Shiba Uni, the Doge killer. Dude, Dogecoin is the Doge killer. It's gonna kill itself. You don't need anything else to kill Doge. Okay, so beautiful structure. I haven't even looked at any technicals yet, but just looking at this, it's gorgeous. You guys are looking at this, you're like, dude, what are you talking about? It's going down. No, guys, this is a beautiful structure. This is called consolidation. This is called a parallel channel. And what we can do is we can go from here. Look at that. Right about there. And you can drop this sucker down to right about. Look at this beautiful parallel channel looking really good. Just a beautiful consolidation period. Almost kind of looks like a little bit like, what do you call it? New Cypher. Although New Cypher is doing some bearish things that I don't really like. So I don't want to compare it to that. So what are we doing? Where are we going? We're in a downtrend right now, short term. Where are we going to get the bounce? Let's go take a look. Let's go take a look. You are so close to a cross. It's not even funny. Look at this. Negative momentum moving to the upside. Okay, right here. Negative momentum moving to the upside. Consolidation in process right now within a parallel channel. You have a range that you're working with. You're about to get the cross between the 12 and 26 day moving average. That's really good. And you're sitting below the 20 on the stochastic RSI. You're only at 39 on the RSI. The amount of room for this thing to be moving up is insane. I mean, you only need to go up to break out of this current channel right now. You only need to go up 30%. That's it. That can happen in one day. That can happen in an hour if it wanted to. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. Once you break out of this parallel channel, then it's going to be fireworks after that. But what we need to do, beautiful base. You can see we've gotten 3 touches. We know that's a really good support line. I don't think we're going to be breaking below that 0.009. What is that? Almost 1 penny. Nearly a penny. I don't think you're going to be breaking below that. You're at pretty much at your lowest that you're going to be at, especially when we're looking at the RSI. Look at the up curve that we're having right now. Look at this momentum shifting within the stochastic RSI. We're starting to move up. Same thing over here. MACD starting to move up. Let's get that cross right there. 3 variables that are telling you that we're looking bullish, that we're looking good. The consolidation is over and it's time to move up. Like I was using the analogy the other day, kind of like with one, you shake a 2 liter of soda and it's just a matter of time before the thing, you take the cap off and it just pops. And that's all you need. You need that one whale to come in and say, yep, this looks good. I'm going to be buying into it. And then it's going to trigger all those buy orders and pop off the top. And then poof, it's going to be exploding. The next area that we will need to get above is going to be around that 1.5 cent area. I think if you can get above 1.5 cents, come over here, turn it into support. You need to turn this parallel channel into support. Once you do that, then now you're trying to break through all of the hard resistances, going all the way up to the 786 right here. I'm not saying that it's hard and we're not going to be able to do it. I'm just saying it's going to take some time for us to get up there. Don't expect us to just go parabolic and then we break through all of them. I mean, you would have to have a major investor in here who just threw a ton of money at one of these things for that to happen. So don't expect that to happen. Those things are pretty rare when they do happen. But so yes, let's look for the break on the dollar, 1.5 cents. Sorry, 1.5 cents. That'll be putting you above the 21 EMA. That'll be putting you above the parallel channel right here, and that will be looking really good. So we're catching our base. We're seeing that in the technicals. Next on here, guys, I do not think we're going to be going down. Absolutely not, unless Bitcoin crashes. We've talked about that. You guys know that. We're not going down. I don't think we're going down. But if Bitcoin crashes, it will. Okay, I just want to get that out of the way. So what I'm thinking, I don't know this coin that well, but from what I'm seeing, we're going to be breaking out of this parallel channel pretty soon. If not tomorrow, the next day, possibly, I'm going to say within a 1 week, we're going to get a breakout over here for sure. For sure, 1 week. That's plenty of time. We've had the beautiful consolidation, had the beautiful flag, and we're going to be moving to the upside. Okay. Can we do a measured move on this? And it's going to be kind of insane. And you guys are going to be like, Leland, come on, dude. Really? You really think we're going to go that high? Yeah, I do. Here's our base right here. Here's our flagpole. This whole thing is the flagpole right here. That's the flag right here. Flagpole. We take a measured move. We go to the top and we'll do a rough estimate right here. You go all the way down to the base. You measured that move. You go straight up and down. And it's about right. I want to get it pinpoint accurate right there. That's our measured move right there out of this flag. Okay, let's move it up to a breakout target. Okay, we're moving it up to a breakout target. Let's just say we get a breakout tomorrow. What is that breakout going to look like? Where's our target breakout move? Well, that's going to be taking you to the golden mean ratio, which is 5 cents. I know. You guys are like, what, dude? Come on, that's crazy. No, that's the breakout target. That's no joke, guys. We're talking about 436% away. That is very possible, but you need to break through the parallel channel right here. Break through that parallel channel. Get above that 21 EMA. Let's start making progress. Let's break the 236, then the 382, then the 0.5. And then once you come up to the 618 and you're in between the 618 and 786, you're already at 3 cents. You're already up 200%, going up to that 4 cent area. And it's not if, it's when. And I know I keep saying that. Not all coins are like that. Okay. Not all coins, but from what I'm seeing on the technicals right here, that's what it's telling me. This is exactly what it's telling me, guys. This thing is primed to take off. It is primed. It is done consolidating. It's over. It's over. We just need to wait for the breakout. Wait for that confirmation before you start taking your buys. What you want to see is you want to get above, like I said, 21 EMA, come back, get the resumption right there. That's your buy. That's your buy. And that can be anywhere between the 1.5 cent up to 2 cent area. I think if you can take a position within that area, then yes, you will see a 300% gain within your portfolio. You'll have to be patient. It won't happen overnight, but nonetheless, these are some of the lowest levels that I think you're going to see BPRO for a long while. Okay. Now, if you break below this support, this is a pretty major support that we have below us. Okay. Not only does this support hang up right here, but if we move this back, if we move our Fibonacci sequences back this way, you can clearly see that we had a resistance going up into it. So it's beautiful that we broke through this resistance and then we turn it into support. And currently right now we're holding it. Keep holding that. If you break below that, then yes, you'll start to look like New Cipher and you won't be looking good. You will not be looking good. And That's about it that I have for you guys on this one. Looking good. This one's looking great. I think it's looking great. Breakout target going up to the 5 cent, almost 6 cent area. I could see this thing going to 10 cents by July. Yeah, probably. And it's not too far-fetched either. I mean, considering, gosh, we're up from the bottom over here to the top 13,000%. So we're not that far away, you know? Totally possible. Consolidation's over. We're moving up. That's it. Straight up. Okay, so Steph, you needed to choose another coin. Can I get Chainlink instead? Yes, you can get Chainlink for sure, my bro. Chainlink, adding it to the list. Right about now. Okay, who do we got? James talking to other people. Matt, hey, welcome, Matt. How you doing? Good to see you in here, man. Matt07. What's best coin on Coinbase? Alts. You're watching it, man. You're watching it right now. Check it out. You'll see. Jeremy Evans, big money on Noom and EOS after doing some Crypto Grenade inspires TA. Yes, sir. Good for you. I'm good. I'm glad you're making money. If you're coming in here and you're watching it and you're making your own decisions and you're seeing the data that I'm providing for you guys, you're going to make money. Straight up. I mean, I'm making money. If I'm making money, you should be making money. There's no way you should be losing unless you're panic selling. That's a big no-no. We don't want to do that. Let's see, Wink, what y'all think about these? BTT, Wink, was that BitTorrent, right? And Wink is the Tron pair. I know those have gone up recently. They weren't doing the best over the past few years, but they're recently starting to go up. Bonfire token growing faster than any other coin. 58,000 or 78K holders, 7 days old. Listing CoinGecko going up now. Interesting. I'm sure. It's only 7 days old. We got no data and it's just speculation. What's the use case for it? Let's check it out. What is this coin? Never heard of it. BPro? Yeah, I've heard of BPro before. So apparently you can only get it on KuCoin, which shouldn't be very hard to get. But I don't know. I don't know what this. All I care about is TA. You guys know that. I only care about the data. I only care about the facts. I don't care about the news. I don't care anything about that. That doesn't influence my decision on buying the coin. TA is the only thing that influences my decision. Straight up. That's it. Okay, what else we got here? Portal Mind. Hell yeah, great TA. Just starting to get pessimistic on BPro. No, dude, no. Gosh, I'm glad you requested it. I'm glad you're seeing this right now, dude, because I know, watching it go down, but dude, that's beautiful. That's exactly what you want to see. It's gorgeous, right? You gotta hold, you gotta hodl. You gotta have those diamond hands. You can't have paper hands where you just like, oh, I'm gonna sell, and then you just lose out and you're paying capital gains tax and you're losing out on your money. And it's like, bro, come on, we can get this. We can do this. Just be patient. Leave it there. You know, I wish there was a part, like, I wish I could like delete some memories in people's minds. That sounds weird, right? But like the community in here, like the people coming in here and the people that I see in the Telegram, there's a handful of people in there that are constantly like, oh my God. And I'm just like, I just want to like zap them with that. What was it? Like the Men in Black little, and it like cleared their memory, but just from when they bought the coin, and then just leave it and just come back years later and just be like, oh, hey, by the way, you bought BPro back in 2021. And what's that? And it's like, well, is this investment that you bought, but you forgot about it. And then they're rich as hell, like 10 years later, 20 years later, or whatever. I don't know. It's a weird idea. I got weird ideas. BPro is a code stack infrastructure behind Being Protocols, gaming, bets, casinos, partnerships. Dude, that would be huge. Can you imagine like if, was it BetMGM or what is that? Trade Kings? I think it's Trade Kings, Bet Kings, or something like that. If they got into that, that would be really cool. CRV, looking over the weekly charts, there are big cup and handle pattern. Well, maybe I am wrong. You know what? Let's go take a look. Well, that's it, guys. That's what we have for BPro. You guys already know. You saw the supports. You saw the resistances. You know what to expect. Although nothing is guaranteed within the crypto markets. So CRV, Portal Mind, yes, we're moving over right now. Moving a little slow today, right? We're only on our 4th coin and we're almost an hour into this. I like taking my time though. I like explaining it in detail and talking to you guys and really dissecting what we're, doing a TA on. I just feel, you're totally getting your money's worth. Absolutely. And I get to hang out with the chat. That's probably the most fun that I get to have. Like I do TAs all day, every day. It doesn't matter. I try to make my own money. But like doing TAs for you guys is fun for me because I love doing this, and you guys want to see what's going on. And I understand some people don't understand TA, or some people can't do TA. Like there's just certain people who can do it. And then when I can share that experience with you and I can talk to you, like it's fun for me. This is just like one big fun game. Like what can we find? What's going to be amazing? And then I just love it when we find coins. I'm gonna stop talking, I promise. I swear I've had like one cup of coffee today and it's still here with me, and I don't know why it's still here with me. But anyways, I'm done talking. I won't talk about it. Okay, we're at CRV. We were in a parallel channel. We broke down out of that parallel channel. Very obviously, we have not done this one in quite some time. We have not tested it, but look, our levels are being respected really well. Look at this $3.09 area being respected as resistance. We even came all the way up to the $4.33, got rejected. Not bad, dude. Not bad for these trend lines here. Horizontal trend lines are going to be what you're going to want to see. Did we come up? We did. We came up and we tested it as resistance. That's not a bad thing, right? Because we were stuck in this parallel channel for so long, resistance, support all the way through. And then boom, we broke down. That's not a bad thing. Okay. It's just we were in a price range and we needed to correct. And now we're in a different price range right now. So now that the parallel channel is no longer valid, it's still going to be valid. Okay. This is still going to be resistance for us. So we can just draw a trend line now that'll be resistance for us in the future. But nevertheless, we need to look at the overall structure of what's happening over here. So what do you see? Well, I see that we're forming an even bigger parallel channel. So we're stuck in a pretty big parallel channel, and you can clearly see that from the top of the resistance to the bottom of the supports right here, all the way right about. And you know, the heart line is acting as a really good indicator for us, letting us know that this is a parallel channel. You can see we have our resistance. You can see we came down and we touched the heart line, and that was support. We broke down below. We hit the support bottom over here, and then we came back up, and boom, look at that, straight back over to that heart line where it was acting as resistance, right? Crap. I didn't want to get rid of that. It's okay. That's why we can do this. So beautiful heart line. You can see it was resistance right here. We got above it. Look at all the support, all that support below it. Resistance, got above it, below it. So this is a much bigger parallel channel. This is actually a pretty big parallel channel. This is going back to 5th of February. So we're few months that we've been stuck in here. Okay. What's going on? What are we doing? We obviously hit our bottom over here, and we're starting to get the resumption back up. So based off of that, I can tell you guys, we're probably going to be going over $3 here pretty soon, coming back up to the heart line at about $3.25. I think that's very plausible. That's very easy to tell you guys right now that we're going to be coming up. That could be resistance, $3.25. Getting above that, getting up to $3.50 would actually be huge. It would be really big for this coin. What are we doing though? What's going on? Oh, beautiful. Oh, this is gorgeous. Dude, all these coins right now are doing very similar things, right? We've had this huge rise up where it was alt season, we gone up like crazy, and then we started taking corrections, and a lot of people are getting bored and like, I don't like this, and it's like, come on, dude, you've been making so much money, like what are you mad about? You know, we're just moving sideways, we're consolidating right now, we're like at that end, we're at that cusp of getting out of the consolidation mode and getting ready for the next pump up for a lot of things. And how could you be upset? How could you be upset with that? So check it out. Negative momentum moving to the downside. That's beautiful. I love it. And then we're about to get this bullish cross between the 12 and 26 day moving average. Price is going to be happening first, and you can already see it. It's happening first. It's already happening right here. Hey, Lisa. Hello. Welcome. Are you, do I know you? Never mind. Lisa, hello. Welcome. Thank you for the 10. Really appreciate that. Hey, can you take a look at Stellar, please? Thanks so much. You got it, Lisa. I got you. Okay, so currently sitting below the 20 on the stochastic RSI. You can see that momentum starting to shift. We're starting to go up. We're seeing a lot of similarities between these coins. I know you are. And we're sitting at the 46 on the RSI right now. Lots of room to the upside. Like I said, I am going to be looking for that 309 and then 325. But if you can get up to $3.50 on this, you're going to be looking really good. Can't really throw a Fibonacci on this. Well, we could try. You know, we could look at it. It might be a little messy, so bear with me. Let's check it out. Throw a Fibonacci on here. So it looks like we're right here. Don't get your lines confused. But you can see that we're trying to break through the 50% retracement right there. The 50% retracement has been acting as resistance for us in the past. So nice support, right? And then resistance, support. And then now we're seeing resistance right here. Get above $2.75. And that's why I think you can go up to that $3 area. $3, $3.09, then $3.25. And then this is really the zone that you want to get into. We're going to be looking for that $3.09 and then that $3.50 area. Be watching for that. We need some more data. Okay. We need some more data. It's looking good. Let me get rid of the fib. We have confirmation. We have bounce at the support. That's good. You didn't break below in the parallel channel right now. This is a pretty big parallel channel. So it's a daily chart. So these are all these candles you see are days. And this is going back. I mean, even the support was January 29th. So we've been in here for months. Be looking for the area. That's what we're going to be looking for. Do not break below. If you break out of this parallel channel and you start moving down, no good. Absolutely not good. Then you'll be going down to $1.62. I can comfortably say that. That would not be good at all. So let's hold this. Let's come up. Let's try to break out of that heart line. If we can get through it, damn, it's gonna be great. Turn it into support, and then we can go much higher and start making new all-time highs. I do find that $5.81 is going to be a resistance for us in the future. So what I would be expecting for the next week is this week's probably going to be a really good week for CRV. You probably are going to be coming up here and touching that $3 area. Watch this area. Watch that area. That's about it. I don't really have much else for you on that coin. Let's see. I can show you on the weekly right now that you're touching the 21 EMA and you're getting the bounce off of it right here. It's beautiful. It's exactly what you want to see. Boom. Bounce off the 21 EMA. That's it, man. Those are the levels that we're going to be looking for. It's not bearish. We're bullish. We're looking good. Not much to say. Let's wait for some more data. We'll check back in a couple of days and we'll see where it's at. So there you go. That's it, man. That's it. Okay, we got a chain link next. What else we got here? I just want to talk to the chat. Love OMI. Love, in my opinion. Is in my opinion a coin, or is it just love? Moses, great channel, valuable analysis. Thank you. Thank you. That's probably the best contribution you can give me. You touched my heart, bro. Don't say stuff like that when I'm live. You're gonna make me cry. Going to run naked. Naked says he's going to run. Hopefully not naked. Single guy for you. For me? Oh, you shouldn't have. My friend bought goat coin at 4K each. Now coin is worth under 10. Wait, what? What? I'm sorry. This coin's worth 10. He bought it at 4,000 each coin. Now it's under 10. What? This dude took almost 100% loss, right? Is that true? Hold on. Okay, we're gonna go check out Chainlink and Stellar, I promise. But I'm gonna go check out this goat coin. What is this guy talking about? Goat wrapped in ether. Can't take a look at that. It's obviously an S coin because I have no data and it looks very new. So he bought it at 4,000. What he bought an ICO at 4K and then it dropped down to $10. Yikes! Get wrecked. That's why I don't do stuff like that. That's why I don't trust new coins. People, it could be a scam. People could just be coming in to try to make a quick buck, or in this case, a quick $1 million, quick $1 billion. There was a coin. Someone did that. There was an exchange in Turkey. It just happened the other day. I think my father was telling me about this. It was an exchange in Turkey. I forget what it was called, but pretty much the dude was like deuces and took like $3.4 billion and ran with it. Took everyone's crypto. It's Turkey. You know, things happen. Numerai. You want to talk about Numerai? We can talk about Numerai. I love your emotions, bro. Dude, I love you, Martin. Okay? So, okay. I swear, we're moving on right now. We're going to look at VeChain. Not VeChain. Chainlink. Chainlink, yep. I have it right here. Right about John. 43 right now? Cool. Dude, beautiful. Nice. Beautiful uptrend. Like, there's nothing. Okay, let's get rid of all these lines so I can have a better look at this. Dude, gosh. Oh, I should have held. I do it all the time. Where was I? Where was I within the pattern? I was down. It was down here. Oh, I suck. God, I suck. Oh, no. I had it for $1 something. It was right in this area. I was buying it and I was trading. Yeah. Yep. That's where it was. Dang. Guys, hodl. Okay. Learn from me. Learn from my mistakes. Learn from others' mistakes as well. Hodl. Because it's at $34. I could have 34x'd my stuff. Insane. See, this is what I'm saying. Like, this was only like 2 years ago. Can you imagine holding on for 10 years? Right? Just forget it, right? Forget about the satisfaction that you're going to be having now. Forget about that car that you want to go buy now. Forget about the things that you want right now. Okay, screw that. You're materialistic and who cares? But in 10 years, you hold on to it. Now you have more money where you can buy 10 cars or you can buy 10 houses. You know what I'm saying? This is a long-term game, guys. Like, this is fun. You know, we do TA, we get take positions on things. We're in a bull run. We're making money. That's great. But guys, really the long-term goal here is to hodl. Hold your freaking coins, dude. I'm not selling my Bitcoin. I got Bitcoin at like $8,700 and I'm not selling it. Straight up. I'm not selling it. I'm going to hold on to it for a long time. Probably until I'm older, much older, where like my child has a child and I become a grandpa and then be like, hey, grandpa, how'd you get so rich? And you'd be like, well, I was in the porn industry. No. I will tell them about crypto and I will teach them. They'll be like, what do you mean? That's the money that we use now. And I'm like, yeah, it's, you know, it wasn't a thing back then and now it's a thing. And that's how we're so rich. And now go ride your little pony, you little shit. I'm just joking. I don't know why I'm being so stupid right now. Okay. Chainlink. We're on Chainlink. We're on the daily. Beautiful uptrend. Okay. Simple trend lines. Let's do some simple trend lines. Go from the liquidity crisis all the way up to where we are now. Beautiful. What about this guy? I want to take this trend line. What's this guy doing? Oh, yeah. Those touches are beautiful. That's definitely a resistance area. Kind of scary though. That's a really big ascending wedge. Pretty bearish pattern, right? I'll call it how it is. That's a bearish pattern. That's not good. That doesn't look too good to me. That June of 2019 is when it started for the resistance, and then March of 2020 is when we made our support over here. So that doesn't look too good to me. That doesn't look too good. What's going on? What's going on today? What's happening right now? You would need to break out of this resistance in order for me to feel bullish, but currently with patterns like this, you know, they're pretty bearish. So, and this is a really, really big one, which means if we break out and we break down out of here, it's probably going to take a year or two. It'll probably go into a bear market, right? I don't know. Let's forget about this for now. Let's go look at the current situation, because that's a long-term macro look, right? We're looking at the entire thing. I mean, it's a beautiful uptrend, looks good. We do have a huge area of resistance that we need to get through, but nevertheless, I don't want to like, you know, S on your coin over here. Currently, let's take a look at what we're seeing right now. Okay, that's good. Right now, temporary. We have negative momentum moving to the downside. You can clearly see that. You have our histogram right there. Boom. Negative momentum moving to the downside as price action is moving up. Beautiful. Hidden bullish divergence, a leading indicator letting us know that we're going to see higher price action within the future. How high? We're going to find that out. We're going to find that out in a little bit. Beautiful. Look, guys, same thing, right? Same freaking tone for every single coin below the 20 on the Stochastic RSI. Beautiful. I love it. That's exactly where you want to be, sitting smack dab in the middle right now. Okay. I'm looking for a move to the upside. I am looking for a move to the upside. You caught this support over here. Wonderful. Does this support play out anywhere else? It sure does. Absolutely. 100%. Actually, it goes all the way back to about right about chong. Okay, you can clearly see this was support for you the entire way up, right? Support, and then boom, resistance, boom. You can play it over here a little bit, then support and support and support and support. So you're holding that support. You've been holding that support line since October. That's beautiful. That's exactly what you want to see. I want to see a Fibonacci. I want to do a big old Fibonacci to see where's our next target. I'm willing to bet you're sitting between the 1618 and the 2618s. Yep. Absolutely. We'll take it right about. So yeah, you're sitting between the 1618 and the 2618 right now. Beautiful trend that you were holding. I'm going to extend this to the right. And we're going to save this because I want to see exactly where we're going to be going over here. Thank you for the 72 people who are in here. If you are enjoying this content, hit that like button. If you are new, hit that subscribe button. You're going to get value. You're going to get some benefits out of it for sure. Consider it. You know, it's up to you. So sitting between the 618 and the 2618 and the 1618, beautiful. We're looking at $28 and $40. That's a pretty big gap between those two, but nevertheless, when you start breaking the 1618, that is when things start to get pretty volatile, as there's pretty much an hour space right now. You know, we're hitting new all-time highs. You're hitting new levels over here. Clearly the 2618 was resistance. You got rejected over here, coming back down to this trend line. You didn't quite come back down to the 1618, but that's okay. We have a trend line that we've been holding since October of last year. Let's continue that trend. Let's keep going up. We're in a bull market, guys. This is where we're going to be going. Next area that we need to break out of, right? So currently you need to get back above 35 bucks, which is going to be about it. That says 34. And I'm a stickler. I want to see 35 exactly. 35. You need to get back above 35. Notice currently right now, if we break it down to a 4-hour, that we're running into that resistance right now. And you can see that was previously resistance and support in the past. Resistance, 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 and then support, 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 break below, resistance, resistance. So on the short term, you need to get above 35 bucks. I think once you can get above $35, then you will start to look very comfortable. We'll turn it into support, and then we can go up and hit $40. And that's going to be the previous all-time high. Actually, a little higher than that. It was $44, almost $45 that we hit on. My mustache is itching me so bad right now. So that 45 area is going to be the all-time high. And what I'm going to do over here for Chainlink is I want to set a target alert. So we're going to set an alert right here for $44, and we're going to leave it there. And when we break through it, I'm going to go live and we're going to talk about this when it happens. So break through 35 cents, you're going up to 40 cents. Okay. That's the 2618. When you can get above the 2618 and you can turn that into support, then yeah, dude, you're going to be taking off. And then no joke, we're going up to $40 after that. I'm sorry, $60. We're going up to $60 after that. Hold this current trend right here, and that's going to be happening. I think at the very latest, to hit 60 bucks in Chainlink will be August. But I think it's going to happen a lot sooner than that. August, if we keep this trend, and yeah, August will be when we hit $60. So, you know, if you're a long-term holder, if you're a macro holder like I am, and you want like 77% and you don't mind waiting, you know, a few extra months for that to happen, that could be an option for you. It's very strong support. The technicals, we're looking at the indicators. They're telling us, you know, we're looking good right now. I see nothing wrong with it. I see nothing bearish. I don't see any more dumpage happening within it unless Bitcoin takes a dump, you know. But here's a really good data point right here with the RSI. Wow, it's so beautiful. Look at this. Can you guys see this? Here, let me back it out. Stupid camera, it's in the way. Let's move it out. Look at this. Look at the RSI down here. I just printed a green line. Look at this line. Support, 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 support. It got below it, resistance, resistance, and then above it, and then resistance, resistance. Look how pretty this is. You almost came down and touched that RSI level right there before, you know, you got the resumption off of it, but nevertheless, you didn't come down and touch it exactly. That's okay. You don't have to, but I mean, you're only sitting at the 50 right now. So yes, I'm looking for upside. Look for that 34, break $35. I think once you could break $35, you're going straight up to 40 bucks. There's really no resistance up until that level. And then after 40, 45 bucks. The key here is to turn $40 into support. You have to turn that into support. Once you can do that, then yes, I think we'll be on our way up to that $60 area. It may not even take us until, you know, August to do that. That could happen a lot sooner. It could happen a lot sooner. It could happen within the next few weeks, next couple of months. If it wanted to, that's not that far-fetched. It's crypto, and that's only 77% away from where we are right now. Very possible. We're looking bullish. Look for those areas. Now, if you start breaking below this trend line, I'm not going to say it's over, because we've done that in the past. You know, we were back here, we broke below it, and, you know, that might be okay. We might come down and we touch the 1618, maybe possibly coming down and touching the 1414. I don't want to go down and touch the golden mean ratio. Absolutely not. That's a really big drop. I don't think Chainlink has that big of a dump in it right now. So we're down 33% on the dump when Bitcoin, you know, when Bitcoin took a dump right there. Chainlink took a big dump over here, about 43%. I'm not going to be expecting for Chainlink to go back down to $23. If it does, that would be pretty bearish. So I don't think that's going to happen. I really do think you're going to be catching support if, and only if, you drop below that this trend line right here. 1 second, my mouth. Okay. So be looking for that support level, $28. Do not drop below $25. Do not drop below $25. If that starts to happen, cut it off, because you're probably going to be going a lot lower and it's not going to be looking good. I just don't see that happening though. But I have to say these things so you guys are prepared just in case. I'm going to put like a 20% chance of that happening. 20% chance. I know that's kind of high, but I don't think it's going to happen. I really just don't. We're going to see some movements to the upside. Like I said, 30, 45. You guys already know what's going to be going on over there. That's it. That is it for Chainlink. And we have Stellar that we're going to do next. I hate charting Stellar. It's just an ugly chart. It's a great coin. I love the coin. It's just the chart is so ugly. I don't know what it is about it. It's just not, it's not pretty. It's just not pretty at all. All right. Who do we got in here? Lisa, did you say anything else, Lisa? Nope, that was it. Okay. That's totally cool. I want to see what Single Guy for You said about his friend. He didn't say anything else about it. That's okay. That's totally cool. Nelson, hello. Numerai. We got Joseph in here. Leland, what is your strategy for the market flips over to the bears? Liquidate into stable coins when you anticipate your close, or write it out? No, I'll definitely probably be taking profits. But the smart people, what they will be doing is they will be locking up their money. Right. So they're probably already locking it up right now. And what smart money will be doing is they're not going to be selling. They're going to be staking it. They're going to be getting their APY. And they'll probably be collateralizing against it. Right. So you go get a loan and you say, hey, I've got this much in cryptocurrency. It's worth this much. I need a loan. And then people will give you the amount that you have in that coin as a loan, and then you're paying 2%, maybe 3% on the loan a year, while you're getting the 8% APY for staking and the appreciation of the coin. That's what smart people do. That's what rich people do. Okay. You don't cash out for USD. You don't want that trash. USD sucks. It's going to crash. It's going to collapse one day. Why do you think crypto's going up so high right now? Okay. I know you want to go buy your Lambos. That's great. You know, that's cool. But have a bigger vision. Have a bigger vision than that. Think about what you can do. Don't get rid of your coins. Hang on to your coins. Whenever investors need money, whenever companies need money, do you think they use what they have in their bank account? Never. They never use what they have in their bank account. They finance it. They finance all of it, you know? And an idea that I probably should have done when I started investing into crypto, I should have listened to myself. I should have listened to myself, and I should have said, well, I don't care about the 10% interest rate that I'm going to be getting on a loan or whatever it is, because I'm going to be making way more than that in a year. And I should have done it. I would have been sitting a lot more pretty. I'm still sitting pretty. Don't get me wrong. I'm sitting pretty good right now, but that would have been like really, really life-changing. That would have really accelerated everything. But you know what? I'm perfectly happy with where I'm at right now. So that's Chainlink. Looking good. Not bad. What's up, Jeremy? What are you laughing over there for? Man's kicking facts. Yeah, dude. Straight up. What's up? I don't know if you guys knew, but I used to be a Wells Fargo banker. I used to be the business banker, the district business specialist for Wells Fargo. Yep. I have some financial background in my pockets. So when it comes to loans and crypto and monetary and economics and, you know, businesses and investing and, you know, anything really in the banking industry, I've got a lot of knowledge. Got a lot of things that I know about this. If you guys got questions about banking stuff, let me know. I can answer your banking stuff too. James Tinker. I'm sitting pretty good right now. Yeah, dude. It's nice. It's definitely nice. Looney Tunes. What's up, dude? What's going on? Combined with his face. Yo, Looney Tunes. Hey, thank you. Thank you so much. Wait a minute. Is this my friend? Is that Zed? Is that you? Hold on. Can we see? I want to see his account. I can't see his account. Cedric, is that you? That'd be so cool if it was. Hey, dude, thank you for the 10. I really appreciate that. I have a friend, his name, I'm not going to say his full name, but his last name is Loon. And I know that's one of his nicknames is Looney Tunes. It might be him. I don't know. Anyways, thank you. Thank you so much for that 10. I really appreciate that. Joseph, I have heard multiple sources say that altcoins will drop over 90% when the market flips. Any truth to that? Yes. At one point, at some point within the future, 90% of cryptocurrencies will fail. People will sell everything. There'll be a major shift. There will be clarity within the markets. People will find a coin. They will find a currency that, like, just imagine the US coming out and going, hey, by the way, we're in support of this cryptocurrency over here, and we're going to start using Ethereum as a cryptocurrency. Can you imagine what will happen to a lot of the altcoins when that happens? Especially when you start getting banks that are going to be, using custody of Ethereum, when banks start using public blockchains because their own private blockchains are crap and they just don't know what to do. It's already a very secure network on Ethereum, and can you imagine something like that happening? I mean, if I heard that, if the news came out, the OCC, the SEC came out tomorrow and said, hey, this is what's happening, we're going to be using Ethereum, I promise you 100%, I will sell every other coin that I have. I will sell Bitcoin. I take that back. I'm not selling my Bitcoin. I'm not going to sell it. I will sell my, I have Matic, I have GRT, I have Stellar, I will sell all my coins, all my altcoins, and I will go dump it into Ethereum. I would do that. And a lot of other people would do it as well. So yes, I think that could happen, dude. It definitely could happen. Let's see. We've actually looked at NKN before. Looney Tunes. Yes, it is. Nuh-uh. It is you, Loon. I knew it, bro. I knew it was you. What's up, dude? I'm going to take a second here, guys. I miss you, bro. Like, wholeheartedly from my heart, I miss you. Like, it hurts me sometimes. I wish you would have listened to me the other day about Doge, bro. Man, you called me up and you wanted my advice, and I said, sell that shit. And you didn't, no. Or actually, I don't even know. I don't know. Did you end up selling Doge, bro? I don't want to bring your personal information into here. But I'm just saying, I have to buy your book. Links down below, Joseph. Links down below, dude. Go buy my book. My book's right here. Boom. It's great. It's a good book. Not a hard read at all. You'll understand it. You have any questions? Come ask me questions in the Telegram. Come ask me questions in the Discord. Links are down below for that too. Dude, I hope you're not. I hope that really is you, bro. Because, like, I swear, Jen and I miss you, man. We miss hanging out with you. We miss hearing your voice. I miss laughing, dude. I haven't laughed. Like, you're like my only funny friend, dude. I should just buy you a PC so you could just come play with us. We have a community on Discord. There's like a really tight group that we have. That there's like a group of friends, right? So like COVID happened and we're getting off topic and I need to go look at Stellar. It will happen, I promise. So we had a really close group of friends on Discord, and it's been expanding, right? So the channel's been expanding, new people have been coming in, and it's really good. I'm actually pretty new over there. I actually just recently started going into that channel, but my friends had the channel or the server forever, pretty much on that channel. So we get together, we share our screens, we put our cameras on, and we have game night. It's so much fun. Like every Thursday we have a game night, and it's probably one of my most fun nights that I have throughout, my weeks, just because we play all these different games. We played Cards Against Humanity online. We're playing, what is that other one? Gartic? It's a drawing game or whatever. This is not crypto. Okay. We need to go do Stellar. I'm ready to play Overwatch with you again. Dude, I miss those days of just banging out Overwatch. I don't know if you guys know, but I'm a pretty big gamer at heart. I've been a gamer my whole life, like since I was 2 years old. I love to play video games, and I love crypto, and I love mining, and I love those are my pleasures. I like doing it. Call me whatever you want, but that's what I like to do. I'm a hardcore gamer with a background in crypto who's made buku for sure. So we're going to Stellar. I promise. We're going to Stellar right now. Let's go. Right now. You miss Gen 2, Loon? Yeah, we all do. Does your book teach TA? It teaches you indicators. It teaches you charts and patterns to learn them. It teaches you how to read charts. So yeah, it does. When you combine coming to the live streams, watching the live stream, watching my videos, and then reading the book at the same time, you're going to learn how to do it here, but you're going to learn why in the book. The book's right here. Links in the description down below. You can get it on Amazon. Go check out the reviews if you guys want. It's got great reviews. People love the book. It's great. It's only $12.95. For the price of lunch, you can be learning about it today. But it's not only going to teach you about TA, you're going to learn about blockchain. You're going to learn about Bitcoin. You're going to understand what crypto is as a whole. It's just, for $12, or $13, why not? I'm constantly learning stuff about TA or crypto every single day. I learn something new about crypto every single day, and I just continue to evolve my cryptocurrency mind because I get questions like this from you guys. And it's not that I have to be, expecting, I have to answer these questions. I just genuinely
Bruh.
You'll see. Give it a second. Just wait. It's coming. Wait for it. Wait for it. Bruh.
He needs some milk.
Did you just ask me to do Doge? Are you serious? I'm going to love this. I'm going to have so much fun doing Doge. Okay, if you hold this coin, get ready. I'm going to tear you apart. I'm going to tear you apart, bro. I love you. Thank you for the 10. I appreciate it. But let me show you what's going on within Doge, okay? We have to do Stellar. We have to do Stellar. We got to do it right now. Okay, we're looking at this. I'm not looking at the chat anymore. We're going to go look at it right now. I promise. Looking at it right now. We have Stellar. We're up 15% on the day today. Beautiful. It does look like, oh wow, look, our box got, I can't believe that's still there. That was a long time ago. I feel like that was a long time ago. Beautiful trend. This is the chart on Kraken. Nice trend. You've been holding it very nicely all the way back to 2017 in May. And now you are making new all-time highs. You actually just recently started breaking all-time highs in February. Took a little bit of a consolidation, then you started moving up and you made new all-time highs. Let's see, that was mid-April. Congratulations, that's awesome. You went up to 70 cents. Cool, nice, good job, Stellar. Looking pretty good. What's happening? What's going on the day right now? You're below the 21 EMA right now, and what are you? Hold up, hold the phone. Yes, beautiful hidden bullish divergence that we're seeing within the MACD. You can see the red on our histogram right here. Boom. You don't have to extend that right anymore. I'm going to move that. You can see negative momentum moving to the downside as price action is moving up. That's a leading indicator letting us know that we're going to be having an impending move to the upside. And that's very clear. That's very apparent with we're below the 20 on the stochastic RSI, getting our cross and momentum's moving up. Are you guys seeing a pattern here? Are you seeing a pattern? Are you noticing how yesterday was the best day to get into crypto? The best day to get into crypto, hands down. We talked about it all day yesterday. I couldn't, if you guys watched the clip at the beginning of the video, I told you, I was even cursing, like, listen to me. Like, I didn't know how else to tell you guys. So I was just like being very adamant about it. So this is why, okay? We're having the moves to the upside. Your RSI right now, you're sitting at 48. You're not even overbought. We need to be over at 70 to be overbought. Need to be under 30 to be underbought. And we're sitting smack dab in the middle. Lots of room to the upside. Lots of room to the upside. That's where Stellar's going to be going. We're going to be moving to the upside. That is what I'm going to be looking for. Where are we going to go? Where are we going to go? That's what I want to know. Well, we pull a Fibonacci retracement. We go from our swing high down to our swing low. And you can see we're between the 0.5 and the 618 on our Fibonacci sequences. That's really good. The area that you want to get back above is going to be the 618, which is 50 cents. You're very close. You're sitting at 48 cents right now. You can see that's going to be coinciding with the 21 EMA as well. Our 21 exponential moving average mixed in with that 618 is going to be a pretty hard resistance. Don't expect to break up into it right away. Be looking for maybe a little bit of a pullback, a little bit of a consolidation that'll be coming back. I sound like a weatherman. I'd be expecting a little bit of rainy showers towards the afternoon here. Drive home after, I don't know, never mind, forget it. I suck. So 50% of the Fibonacci retracement over here is going to be 46. We could be bouncing between $45, 45 cents and 50 cents for a little bit, consolidate over here after this nice little run up that you had, totally normal. But eventually, it's not if, it is when we will be seeing that we'll be crossing over that 50-cent barrier with XLM. When you can do that with Stellar and you start moving up to the 54 to 55 and you can turn 55 into support, we are gone. We are definitely going to be going back up to 68 cents and exceeding that, breaking through the 1414 and the 618. The reason why I say that, because on the daily chart right now, we haven't done this for quite some time, guys. We haven't really been this low on the RSI since we're going to be going all the way back to last year. It's been quite some time. Plus, with the hidden bullish divergence, the setup, the 12 and 26 day moving averages, we're going to be getting a crossover here pretty soon. Remember, price action is king, so that will happen first, and it's already happening right now. Okay, the consolidation phase is nearly over, unless Bitcoin takes a dump. Keep that in mind, guys. You know, Bitcoin holds the majority of the dominance right now, and it's getting really close. It's going to hold it for a while. Okay, if Bitcoin dumps, then we're going to see a dump. Always keep that in mind. I can't tell you when the dumps are happening. I can't tell you when the pumps are going to happen. No one knows. If they do, they're lying to you. They have no idea. But what I can tell you is that we're looking bullish right now, and I'm going to be expecting moves to the upside, especially because we're getting this bounce off the support that we had down here. So be looking for that area. Be looking for that 50-cent area up to that 55-cent area. Once you can break through 55 cents, you are going to be looking beautiful. Not only do you have to break through it, but you have to turn it into support. Close candles above it, come back, turn it into support, and then boom, you're going to be coming off. And then what's going to happen after that?
Pussy.
That's right. We're all getting laid because you're going to be making a ton of money.
Got him.
Okay, so let's move on. Looks like Stellar is hitting a new high on the day right now. We're sitting at 48 cents, 48 and a half cents, literally hitting that high right now. So let it keep going up. We're up 16%, 16.5% on the day. You're looking for those areas. If you cannot break through this 618 and you get rejected over here and you break down below the 0.5 on the Fibonacci, then yeah, you're going to be going down to 42 cents, possibly coming back down and touching this trend line that we have going on right here. But this trend line goes back pretty far. We can actually run it back. Let me just show you this real quick. Right there. You can run it back all the way over here. You could see that it was huge resistance, and then it was broke above the resistance. It was support, and then it's been support all the way throughout here. So yeah, I think if you break below that trend line right there, it's not going to be looking too good. I don't see that happening. I don't see that happening with Stellar right now. It's looking too bullish. It's looking too good. We've already had a correction. It's time for the move to upside. I think we're going to be moving up. We've already had a 44% correction. Like, holy crap. Some people lose their minds over that and they sell right away. Me, not me. I'll hold on. I'll hold on for dear life. And you know what? You can run that sucker all the way down to zero because I don't care. Whatever I put into crypto, I just act like it's gone. Okay. I do my TAs. This gives me an edge in the market. We'll see where we go. And I'll run it to the grave. I don't care. I'll run it all the way to the grave. If I don't make any money, meh. Oh well. Oh well. Life goes on. We'll move on. But there's a lot better chance for this thing to be going up than it is to crash, right? A lot better chance. So that's what we're going to be looking for. Be looking for that level. Like I said, it is possible for you to come back down to that 40-cent level. I don't expect you going below 40 cents. If you drop below 40 cents, we're going to change our tone. We're going to come back and we're going to take a look at it. Well, so. Oh, man. Just bought your book. Hey, D the Don, thank you so much, man. I really appreciate that. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you, everyone, for supporting the channel. I love you guys. That's so awesome. We still have, we're going to look at Doge. We're going to look at Doge, and then we're going to start slowing it down a little bit, and we're going to start getting off here pretty soon. So we've got one more coin we're going to look at, but you probably want to stick around for the Doge one because it's going to be funny. I can already tell you right now. I'm going to get emotional about it, man. I'm just going to be like, I don't know. We'll see where it goes. I'm just going to tell you how much of a crap coin it is. And I'm so sorry for dogging on your coin, but dude, let's be honest. It's crap. It is crap. There's an infinite supply of Doge. Okay. Infinite supply of Doge. It was started off as a joke coin. And because Elon Musk, see, we're not even on the chart yet. I'm not even on the chart and I'm already talking crap about it. Okay. Let's do it. Let's go over to Doge. I'm really excited about this, by the way. I'm super excited about it. CV Bond, hello. Save token on Probit up to 10,000. Yes. Cool. Nice. Owen, someone pay for a new cipher, please. I have no money. Are you in crypto? Are you like all in crypto and you just don't have anything? The heck? Why can't I buy Stellar right now? You can buy Stellar. Loony. Loon, you got a Coinbase account. I already know. I sent you a link for the Coinbase account for a long time ago. Why can't I buy Stellar right now? Loon, you and I, we're gonna talk, okay? Because the TAs that they get here, this is very like conservative, like here's the data and stuff like this. Me and you personally, because you're my friend, we're gonna have a conversation, and that's where you're really gonna be able to like, I can tell you, like, hey dude, you're gonna go buy this coin, this coin, and this coin, and this coin, and you're gonna hold on to it. I can't do that here, legality wise. Like, I can't tell people that. I can only like show them the data, and if they bring the coins to me and I just show them, it's totally different. But for you, my friend, you just come talk to me. You just call me on the phone and we'll talk, dude. And I'll set you up. I'll tell you exactly which coins you need to be getting into so you can make some freaking money. So, but congrats on the Doge pump that you got. Okay, let's go to dog shit coin. This one, we're gonna look at Binance, and this one is the Tether one. Okay, cool. Can I just show you something first before we look at the chart? Okay, let me just show you something. Let me just show you something. It's gonna be a Doge to Bitcoin chart. Okay, and okay, we're good on time. We're good on time. Cool. So we're gonna be looking at Doge to Bitcoin. Where are you? Doge to Bit. Doge to Bit. I'm gonna just show you this real quick. Where is it? Maybe they heard me talking crap about it for so long, and they're like, let's just yank the chart off of here. This guy's making us look bad. Where'd it go? Oh, this is not good. Wait, come on. Oh, I was looking at the wrong thing. I was like, how come I can't find this right now? Here we go, right here. No, that's not the chart either. Hold on. It'll happen. I promise. Where is it? There's the Bitcoin one, not that one. USD, futures, euro, dollar. Nope. Maybe it was that one. Maybe it was this one. Oh, it is that. It's this one. It's this one. Okay. Ready for this? Here's the first part of my TA, okay? Here's the first part of my TA. Here we go. We're going to go to weekly. And we're going to check this out, okay? Here's Doge. And you know what? I'm actually going to do a legit TA on it, and I won't have any biased opinions on it. I'll legit do a TA on it, and then I'll dog on it. I'm going to dog on it just a little bit right here. I'll go do a legit TA. No opinions, nothing. And then I'll tell you my opinions afterwards. But look, pump, dump, a pump, a dump, a pump, and then a dump. Oh, and then guess what? A pump, and then a dump. And then a pump, dump, dump, pump, a dump, a pump. And look where you guys are right now. Because of all this hype, because of all the social media, look at this pump, okay? Look, it was all the way up here. And it's like halfway down, almost halfway down over here, okay? 100% of the time in the past, Doge has dumped after the pump. It takes time, right? It takes time. It didn't happen like right away. We'd gone up, we made the peaks, we just back out over here. But right, it takes time. You see all these green, like huge green bars, big pump, and then a slow trickle of a dump where they're just selling hour after hour after hour. These huge whales who have accumulated all of this Doge because they want to steal it from the little guy. They want to steal it from you. I'm not going to lie. I've done it too. When I see Doge start pumping, I'll go buy in, and I know within 3 hours I have to get out. I go buy, and then like I made 174% with this pump back here, right there. 174% I made right there. I literally held the trade for 3 hours and was like, that's it. I made my money. I'm out. And it cashed out. So the slow trickle afterwards is what kills you. You just die. It's all a meme coin. Okay, no more opinions. Straight up to a TA. Okay, I'm gonna shift my tone straight to a TA. This is Doggy to Tether right now. We're on a weekly chart, holding the 21 EMA really nicely. You see right here, boom. Ever since we started going into the new year, 21 EMA, holding up the entire way. Okay, let's go to a weekly chart, continuing to hold the 21 EMA. That's good. That's what you want to see within a chart. Looking pretty good. Nice big spikes to the upside. Pretty sure that's when Elon started tweeting about Dogecoin, and that's really funny because he was buying Bitcoin all throughout this period over here, but was tweeting about Dog. Okay, no opinions, bro. No opinions. Okay, I'll pay for that friendship type coin bundle advice. You'll pay for it. How about we be friends? Let's just be friends, and in real life, and then we'll see. Anyways, so here's another pump, right? We consolidated for quite a while. A lot of people started selling off. And actually, that was a pretty big drop. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but I mean, that was a 52% drop that it went, like, can you imagine buying up here and then you lose half of your money? Ugh, that would suck. Anyways, holding the 21 EMA. What's going on? Where is it going? What's Doge doing right now? Okay, here's this nice, beautiful bearish cross that you're about to take over here. And I don't see any red. Actually, gosh dang it, I don't want to say it, but I'm going to. There's a little bit of hidden bullish divergence here, guys. There's a little bit of hidden bullish divergence. We have negative momentum going to the downside as price actions moving up. We're currently in a consolidation pattern right now. You are about to get, okay, so this is where right now, currently, you just got your bearish cross between the 12 and 26 day moving average. You're already starting to print red on your histogram with that as well. But here's the thing. The stochastic RSI, when it's this low, doesn't mean because we start pumping on the stochastic RSI that we start going up, means the price is going up. This is just showing you momentum, okay? This is just showing you momentum because it's opposite, because we're having a bearish cross and you're below the 20 on the stochastic RSI. That's bearish. That's bearish right now. For right now, I'm thinking price action is probably going to consolidate for quite some time. Doesn't necessarily mean that we have to go down. That just means that we need a cool off. We need a bit of a cool off. We're still in a pattern. I want to go see what that pattern is in just 1 second. But you can see on the RSI over here, when my buddy Loon called me the other day and it was pumping. What day did he call me? I know exactly because it was 38 cents. It was on this day, the 17th of April. I think you called me, Loon. I think that's when you called me. You're saying, gotcha. I'll wait. Doggy coin. F. I told you to sell it 38 cents when you called me because I knew that we had topped out. You could see we were overbought right here, overbought like crazy, and we're taking a bit of a cool off, and that's what we're going to continue to do. Like I said, price action doesn't necessarily have to go down, but it does. It probably will go sideways. We could still come down to this 21 EMA over here at 21 cents. Yeah, for sure. For sure. What kind of structure is this? What are we putting in? Oh, look at that rejection. Look at that rejection up here. Boom. Right there. You hit the resistance. You tried coming up again and it was like, nah, I can't do it. And this is where you started. This is manipulation. This is pure manipulation right here, because this formation, this cup that you have, not a cup and handle, just the shift of momentum is an expectation that we're going to be breaking out, because you've already retraced 100% of the way, because you got past the 78% way in that Fibonacci that you should be pumping to the upside, right? What happens? You get those whales who just trickle. They literally have bots selling every single hour. They don't care what the price is at. They've already had a huge pump up. They don't want to crash the price right away because they want to keep everyone on the hook. This is exactly what's happening over here. And then that's when Bitcoin took a dump. Boom, Bitcoin started taking a dump, and he probably sold off a lot of stuff because he saw that was happening. Him, her, whoever it was. That's what they do. This is what they do in Dogecoin. This is what they do in Bitcoin too, but more so in Dogecoin because it has a lot more potential to be making a ton more money because it has such a small market cap. Well, not anymore. It used to. I knew a buddy who had like 3 cents in his Robinhood account, like way back when it was super, super cheap, and he made $20 off of that. And I know you're thinking like, oh, so what? It's $20. No. It's the fact that he went from 3 cents to $20 is what's amazing, because had it been 300 or 3,000 or 30,000, that could have been very, very life-changing money for him had he decided to sell. But anyways, I'm thinking we're looking a little bit bearish right now. We could pull up a Fibonacci retracement and we can see kind of roughly where we're going to be going. With that cross that we're having on the daily, backed over to the daily, it's a bearish cross. So it's possible we could see some lower, some lower lows. It's possible that we, that momentum starts shifting and we just start moving down over to the 15 cent area. It wouldn't surprise me. It wouldn't surprise me that this kind of coin would drop below 15 cents. We start going much lower to 10 cents and then 5 cents. And, I I just don't see a lot of hope with this coin other than speculation and young adults, young people who are just pumping money into this coin because they can. And it's a meme, and it's on TikTok, it's on Twitter, it's on Instagram. You know, it's just like you got celebrities talking about it. Like, oh yeah, this is so cool. Like, gosh, I don't roll with that crowd because it scares me. Okay, so on the short term, I think we're looking bearish. We're looking bearish on the short term. Nevertheless, we're still going to be having social media that's going to be coming around. We still are developing this hidden bullish divergence on the MACD. Yep, that's true. That's looking pretty good. I think after this consolidation period, you have a really good chance of breaking that 44 cents. Yeah. I think Doge will probably go to $1. I know I said Doge would never go to $1, but never underestimate cryptocurrencies. I was wrong about it. I said there's no way Doge will ever go to $1. Probably going to go to $1. Ugh, I don't want to say it, but it's true. It probably will go to $1, and I'm not going to have any part of it. I'm not going to have any part of this coin over here because it's too risky. It's way too risky. I can't deal with it. I can't deal with it. So, like I said, short term, a little bit bearish. We are going to be developing some hidden bullish divergence after the consolidation. Then I think we could be moving up. Let's talk about price action to the upside. We'll go over to a 4-hour chart. And we'll talk about these Fibonacci sequences moving to the upside. So currently you can see that we are playing between the 382 acting as support and resistance. Once you can catch this as support, then I think you can start moving up to that 30-cent area. When you can get above 30 cents, which is going to be pretty tough, that's a psychological resistance. You can see previously back here, it was resistance and support as well. And it was support and then resistance and then support and then resistance all throughout there. And then right here, major support line, major support right there as well. So when you can get above 30 cents, psychological resistance, and you can come up to that 33-cent area, you're going to be looking pretty good. Doge is going to be looking pretty good. And this stuff is going to happen fast after it's done consolidating. Okay. Which it might, you never know. I don't know what kind of structure this is right now, but we definitely are putting in some kind of triangle shape pattern, possibly doing something like that. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know what the structure is. That's too early to tell. But breaking above 33 cents up to 38 cents is really bullish, guys. And I think that's when you really are going to start to see Doge take off after that point. After 38 cents, I hope people aren't coming in here right now going like, wow, is this guy really doing TA on Doge? Trash, I'm not subscribing. It's all your fault. I'm just joking. That's just how I feel about Doge. So yeah, you could still get above the 38 cents on Doge. And then when you do that, dude, you're going to be taking off after that. Like I said, you're probably going to be going up and hitting $1 here pretty soon. I would give it like 2 months. I give 2 months before Doge hits $1. I think so. I really think so. What's the chat saying over here? D the Don, what's up, bro? Michael Bella or Ballo Telly, thoughts on Icon, bro? Can it reach all-time high again? Read the description down below. We can talk about that. And we got Tam, hello, mates. Took a look at PSG. It's a treasure. I can explain. It's an easy way to make profits every single week. Yeah, request it. If you guys want to see it, let's do it. Let's take a look at it. Although we are going to be slowing it down. We are hitting the 2-hour part of the stream where my head just starts to melt away. Just starts to it's like too much TA. Sometimes I can't handle it. Brendan, anyone have any new cryptos that I can look that into? Have some shares of Doge and SafeMoon. Oh my God, this guy's the epitome of a memer. That's great, dude. I'm happy for you. I'm glad you're in crypto. Even if it was through social media, you got into SafeMoon and you got into Doge. I'm telling you right now, dude. I'm telling you right now. If you're in profits, okay? I'm not telling you what to do. If that were me and I was in your shoes, I would sell it. I would sell all of it. And I would go buy Ethereum. That's what I would do. For sure. Straight up. No questions asked. Guys, let's talk about... This guy he really wants to talk about PSG. Currency, it's a... oh, wait, that's the same... No, he's doing it again. He's just like promoting a coin or whatever. I don't know. Whatever. $1 is good for me. Yeah, dude. I mean, it's probably going to happen. Not going to lie. Should it happen? No. It shouldn't. But it probably will. It probably will happen. Mr. Crypto, what's going on? Mr. Grenade. Hey, man. Good to see you in here. I like how you got the GRT as your icon. That's so cool. We're big fans of GRT over here. I'm gonna start doing new coins. I'm gonna start attracting new audiences over to the channel, just because we're not growing as fast as we were. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm very happy. We're almost at, 6,500 subscribers in 4 months. That's great. That's awesome. But it's slowed down a lot. And it's probably because I haven't been making that many videos, because I took that little bit of a vacation. Maybe. The live streams have been slow. Like, I've only had 1, 2, 3, 7 contributions. I'm happy with that, though. And I have no problem with that. But I think if I start introducing new coins and then we'll start getting a bigger audience, I do want to grow. I want to grow as a YouTuber, I want to have more subscribers. I feel like I can do that. I feel like I can be that guy, be that YouTuber. If freaking BitBoy can get like almost 1 million subscribers, what the hell does that guy have to offer? Like, you just have an idiot who just got rich off of crypto. Oh, I'm being so hateful. I'm sorry. This is bad. I'm like hating on Doggy and I'm hating on BitBoy. You know what it is? It's jealousy. No. Better word. It's envy. It's envy. I envy that. I envy wanting to be like BitBoy. I envy having a studio and having a crew of people, like a production team that can produce these live streams, and this guy makes bank just speaking his mind about crypto. He just got lucky. He got super lucky. That's the definition of luck. Dogecoin is the definition of luck. It's envy. I think that's what it is. I'm gonna stop being like this, though. Okay, I'm not gonna do this. Johnny, we said no more. Hey, man, that's okay. Yeah, I guess we already did it, man. We already did it. I know, right? I know, Ken K. It's not that I want to be. I don't want to be right. I don't want to be right. I don't care. I don't care if I'm right. It's true. You know what I mean? It's true. Who knows? Maybe my day will be here. I'll get my day. I'll have my time at whatever point, Like I said, I'm new. Johnny, thank you so much for the 15, dude. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. You want to take a look at GRT, but we already did it. We already did a GRT. We did an update this morning. Dude, that is free. You can go take a look at it. Now, Johnny, we're coming up to that mark of where we're gonna be coming off. We're gonna be going offline here pretty soon. So if you can give me a coin really quick, I'm gonna do a T on it, and then that's it. I'm not gonna do any more T's after that because I have to get going. I have to get in a phone call in like 15 minutes. So I appreciate that. Thank you so much. And if you do make a contribution, I do appreciate that. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful. I'm very grateful. Although, like I said, after 2 hours on this live stream, my head starts to, I can't, it's hard to do TA for a continuous 2 hours, and it's just, my brain just gives up on me. So, so thank you. I do appreciate that. Johnny, let me know another coin and we can take a look at it. If not, you want to do one? We did one coin. Oh wait, no, we didn't. We did not do one. Okay, yeah, we can do it, man. We'll do one coin. We did it yesterday. Just make sure Johnny wants to do one. Yep. Okay. We do one coin. Gotcha. Okay. Here's what's going on, Johnny. So we have this big bull flag. I don't know if you saw the TA from yesterday, but this is pretty much what's going on. We're in a bull flag right now. We had our flagpole. We took our measured move. All that we did was we took the breakout right here. So we went from the base, wherever hell it is. It's like somewhere like around there. We took that measured move right there, and now we took it out to a breakout. But at that time, we hadn't broken out yet. Over here, it's like, I think we are getting the breakouts. I'd have to pull in the lines, and I'd have to go like real small on them to see. Yeah, dude, I think that's a legit breakout. That's for sure a legit breakout right there. So we're having the breakout. Okay. So what we do, we have the line down here, and we were talking about a 30 cents, 35 cent one coin for the breakout target, but it's actually going to be more. Hey, Matt, thank you. Matt 07, Matt 07. Thank you for the 5, dude. I really appreciate that. Thank you. I appreciate that. New people making contributions. I really appreciate that, guys. Thank you. One coin, our favorite. Yes, dude. One coin I've been telling you guys this for a while. One coin is crazy. Next gen, 28th of April. Next game on what game? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? This guy's still talking about PSG? Come on, bro. What are you doing? I'll put you in timeout. Don't do that. I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're promoting. I don't like it. It's suspicious. It's suspicious. Go get your own YouTube channel. Come on, bro. Stop. Let's see here. Michael Hoffman gets sleep, plays some Deep Rock, Galactic. I don't know what that is. I've never played that. I've been really into it's called Valheim. I've been really into Valheim lately. Been playing that with my buddy. It's like cocaine. It's legit like cocaine. I can't stop playing it. I've been staying up super late playing it. Been no-lifing the hell out of it. Back to OneCoin. ADHD. I swear I do. I have ADHD. Here's the breakout right here. There's the breakout right there. So we're actually going to be exceeding. So was that the area? Yeah. Oh, it was 35. Wait a minute. We had it down here. What was our area before? We had it like way down here. Oh, it was still within that area. It's very close. It doesn't really matter. I mean, between 30 and 35 cents is going to be the target that I'm going to be looking for. It looks like we are coming back right now on OneCoin, dude. And Johnny, we're coming back. We're getting the retest right now. You can see the resumption that's happening. It's going to take some time. It's going to take a little bit more time before we get that resumption, but eventually, dude, I am going to be looking between that 30 and 35 cent OneCoin, but that it's not going to stop there, dude. That's just the target that we're going to be going up to. Okay. OneCoin over the past year or not even a year, like throughout this entire year since the beginning of January, we take it from the bottom and we go to the top, and we did this yesterday, but I'll show you again. Like we're up like almost 6,000%, if not more than 6,000% right now. So that's not so far-fetched to think that we're going to be going up to 30 cents, right? From where we are right now up to that level, it's only 157%. That's a lot of money. Double your money plus some, and that's all gravy, right? That's great. I love it. Cha-ching. But we're going to be going much higher than that, dude. We really are going to be going much higher. We just finished this consolidation. We're getting the breakout. We had a major pump today. It's really beautiful. Let's go over to the daily, and I want to show you what's going on over here. So we knew this move was going to be coming, dude. We knew this was going to be coming. Why? Because we had our leading indicator over here, this hidden bullish divergence. Plus, we had come down, we had touched almost the 30 on the RSI, and the stochastic RSI was below the 20, and now we're getting the cross and it's going back above. Dude, I showed you the clip at the beginning of the live stream. It was like watch the first 10 minutes of this live stream if you didn't get to see it. And I showed you a clip on there. That's just, this is the way the charts work. Was I expecting it to jump up that high that quick? No, I wasn't. I didn't think it was going to do it that quick. I knew we were going to be moving up, but nevertheless, all the variables were there to be showing us like, hey, this thing is going to freaking pump. This thing is going to be moving, not pump. But this thing is going to be moving. We're going to be breaking out of this bull flag, and we're going to be going up and hitting our target. I didn't know how fast it was going to be happening, but it's accelerating really quickly. So that's good. That's exactly what I wanted to see. So that's what we're at right now. This is what we want to do. I could pull. Let's see. So we don't need this anymore. We can get rid of all of that. And now we can actually get a decent Fibonacci retracement over here. And you can see exactly the levels. I mean, dude, the charts don't lie. It's just beautiful. Look how perfect of a touch we got over at the 0.5 on the Fibonacci. We're stuck in between the 382 and the 0.5 on the Fibonacci retracement. Expect us to play in here for a couple of days, especially after this pump that we just had to the upside, dude. We're going to have some kind of consolidation pattern. Something's going to be happening over here. I don't know what kind of pattern it's going to be, but we will consolidate. We're above the 21 EMA right now. This was major resistance / support previously in the past. We can clearly see that that's an area that we need to work for and we need to get above. So getting above 15 cents is going to take some work. It's going to take some time, but it's not going to be that much work for us. Okay. We're having a shift in momentum. We're breaking a downtrend that we were in, and we're starting a new leg up. Like, I don't know. This is probably, yeah, look at this huge green candle next to this red candle. Look at all of this buying power right here. Look at all this buying power. Look at this wick. Look at this wick right here on this red candle. And then the next week, we just print major green. This is a reversal. This is a reversal in a downtrend. Wow, we're going to be moving up much higher after this, my friend. Like I said, 30 to 35 cents is really going to be the area that we're going to be looking for. That's what I'm going to be looking for temporarily right now. We need to stay in between 13 cents and 15 cents. If you wake up one morning and you see that one Harmony coin is above 15 cents, start getting excited because that's really freaking good. That's really good. Let's catch the support. Let's get between the 618 and 786. And then this is the zone right here, 618 to 786. Most important area that we need to be watching out for, because once we can get into this area, it is going to get parabolic really quickly. And that's when I think we can start hitting that 35 cent area. But even if we can break above to that 35 cent area, that's this box up here. And you guys already know, when we can break through the 1618, the next resistance is the 2618 up here, and that's at 50 cents. And then guys, if we're already halfway to 50 cents or halfway to $1 at that point, what's to stop us from going up to 75 cents at the 4618 and then $1 after that? You see what I'm saying? It's 13 cents right now. It's still extremely cheap. I told you guys yesterday you would never be able to get a 9-cent Harmony ever again, and I still think that. I don't think you'll be able to get a 9-cent Harmony ever again. We talked about that. So is it a bad idea to get in right now? I mean, it just pumped, like it was up 50% today. Okay, I probably wouldn't buy right now. I'd probably wait for it to cool off a little bit. It's possible we could drop below 13 cents, going back down to 10 cents, maybe. I'm not gonna count on it. I won't count on that happening, you know, but I'm expecting some kind of consolidation pattern. So that's what we have. Those are our support levels. Those are our resistance levels. Be looking for these areas. You guys have the data. You guys know we're really bullish with the hidden bullish divergence. It's a recipe for gains. It's a recipe for gains. This is exactly what I look for when I want to make money. So that's it. That's it. Okay. No more contributions, guys. We're going to be taking off here. I have to make a phone call here in 8 minutes. So we're going to be wrapping this up here pretty soon. Who else we got over here? Please, fast look, H-bar, sad face. Read the description, my friend. I'm sorry. We got rules. There's things that people do. They do this, they do that, and then I do things. So, I mean, we're gonna cut it off for today. We're gonna be live again tomorrow, 4:00 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. I will send out links in the Telegram and the Discord, so you guys get those right away, so you can come in and check out the view. Thank you for the 75 people here right now. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Let's see if we can get up to 50 likes. Oh, we're at 43. I'm happy with that, actually. I'm happy. But if we can get to 50, I'll be super happy. Thank you. Thank you for everyone who's liked it. I really appreciate that. If you guys are interested in learning how to do TA like I do, if you're tired of losing out on your money, not knowing when to buy the bottoms or not knowing when to sell the tops, go buy my book. It's going to teach you how to do TA. Combine it with watching my videos, watching my live streams, reading the book. Like I said, you're going to find out how to do it on the live streams, but I'm going to show you why in my book. It's on Amazon. It's $12.95. It's very cheap. I made it like that for the price of lunch. You can be buying my book and you can be learning today. It's not a hard read at all. It goes section by section. You're going to learn about inverse head and shoulders, You're going to learn about asymmetrical triangles. You're going to learn about Fibonacci's. You're going to understand the Fibonacci entirely and where like the big resistant areas are. I know you see just a bunch of lines right now, but all of these lines represent something different. You'll get to understand that. You'll understand Bitcoin and blockchain. It's a good book. It's a good read, you know? I don't know. And it's mindful too. It gets you away from your phone and you can open up an actual book and be mindful and read and learn and just continue to grow your information, your knowledge within your head. So, wow. Thanks, Loon. I really appreciate that. He says, this is dope, bro. Thank you. I really appreciate that. So, it's not a scam at all. This guy's still in here talking about his coin or whatever. Okay, bro. That's cool, but, sorry. We gotta get you out of here. I don't know what he's doing. I don't like it. It's like, it's very scammy to me, and I'm just not going to put up with it. I'm not going to put up with that. But anyways, guys, go buy my book. If you guys want to join the Telegram, join the Discord, I really appreciate all the contributions that you guys have given me today. Hit that like button on the way out. Hit that subscribe button if you are new and you want to try to make some more money in the cryptocurrency space. My name is Leland. And remember, it's all about the TA. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
So you get nothing. You lose. Good day, sir.
Bye, have a great time.